Before we talk about the ActiveChat interface, let's connect our bot to a Facebook page. To do that, go to Settings and click on Messengers. On the left hand, you can see the messengers you can connect your bot to. You can also connect your bot to 2 messengers at a time. For example, you can have a bot that responds to messages on Facebook as well as responds to messages on a chat widget which is placed on your website. Let's begin with connecting our bot to a Facebook page. To do that, hit this Continue with Facebook button. You will get a pop-up asking to continue on Facebook as the logged in user. Click on Continue. Then you will need to select the page in which you want to install the bot. For example, I have this demo bot page which I created just for this purpose. I will be selecting this and click Next. Click Done. And that's it. Now you have linked ActiveChat to Facebook, and here you should be able to see the page which you just connected. Click Connect to establish the connection between this bot and this Facebook page. Now click on Open Visual Flow Builder to go to the main section of the bot. Now let's check if this connection is indeed successful. Ensure that you first run your bot, and after running it, use the Test in Facebook button to check on Facebook Messenger if the bot is active. Click the Get Started button and you should be able to see whatever you entered in this block executed here. As you can see, hi there, Akash Lal. This is the start skill which is used blah blah blah. You should be able to see the exact thing here. Now let's try modifying the contents of this start skill to ensure everything's working fine. I'll type in hello world. Okay, now run it. After running it, the bot should be deployed on your Facebook Messenger. Let's go there, and if you see there is no Get Started button now, what you need to do is check the name of the skill. For example, this is a skill and its name is Start. To trigger the skill, type in / and then name of the skill, that is Start, and hit enter. Once you do this, the skill should be triggered and all the blocks placed in the skill should be shown in Facebook Messenger page. It looks like the bot has not run properly. So click Run again, and now that it has run, you can see agent has been built. You can type in / start to trigger the start skill again. Thanks to the catch block which catches the event, and this text should be displayed, that is hello world. As you can see, we have successfully built our first messenger chatbot with ActiveChat. In the next lecture, we'll be having a look at the ActiveChat interface.